Well, Boston has one, New York, Chicago, and now everybody in America knows that Seattle has one. What is it? Well, it's a marathon, of course, and it happened Sunday night at the Kingdome, where the Mariners hosted the Yankees. And if you thought this thing was going to end in regulation, you're nuts. I said you're nuts. How about some defense? Jay Buhner. Kevin Moss had ripped the ball into the right field corner, trying to stretch it into two. Hey, he's a dead duck. Bottom of the sixth. M's down 2-0. A man on. Ken Griffey Jr. doubles off the right field wall. Harold Reynolds scores from first. The Mariners would later tie this game at 2 apiece. We move to the 14th, tied at 3. Matt Sinatro on third. Greg Briley lines a base hit to right. Jesse Barfield plays it on a hop. Sinatro, he's out by 20 feet to the 16th after Moss had homered to put New York up 4-3. Greg Briley ends it. Oh, Margaret, out of here in a hurry. A 2-run shot, a 5.5-hour marathon. The M's win it in 16, 5-4.
Wow. Jason Grimm.